Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a parking reminder in the Virgin Atlantic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Parking Reminder button. So this is very useful if you want to remember where you parked, and it will be easier to find it when you're going back. So first take a picture of your car, and then you can add a note, like something that will remind you of the parking space or the place, and then simply just click on the save location, and then click on the save reminder, and yes, your parking reminder is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.